Today, I'm camping launch site for 1 hour, or until something interesting happens. You see, launch site is notorious for being a huge roam spot, so I wanted to see exactly how much loot I could get in just 1 hour. I quickly set up my grub shack and crafted a handmade SMG. Then I made my way to the launch site, and to my surprise, players were everywhere. Nice, we got an AK. And things would only get faster from there. As the next time I went back to the launch site, I heard footsteps coming from all around me. Fortunately, I was able to see them before they even knew I was there. Wait, 2 Thompsons? Got him? Nice. Whenever you want to use the software that I'm using, you can click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.